gonna beat them.
The Box Cat family loves their crafting. Pillow Cat's always
Cat-napping.
Dream